Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15. In this video I'll show you how to manage Apple Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, and thanks to the wallet you can add your boarding passes and tickets to your Apple account. You can check your orders, and add cards to wallet. Also, you can find apps that can be synchronized with Apple Wallet. And in the end, you can scan codes of the cards to add them to Apple Wallet. If you want to add payment card to your Apple ID, you can also go to Settings, Apple ID, Payment and Shipping, and now you can add your Apple Pay card, credit debit card, BLIK, mobile phone, number, expire dates and CVV number of your card, and you can change your billing address. And that's basically it for Apple Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.